Hey, what's up everybody? Bananasac live here, fishing the river again. Hopefully we catch a fish today. It's been a while since I've caught one, so let's see if we can get some out. I only got like an hour and a half of daylight, so short time here. But let's see if we can get something. Let's start right now. Makes you really enjoy going to work, and even though I know you said you don't have to go that often. Still trying to catch first fish of the year, guys. And with me giving me only like an hour to fish, there's probably a good chance it's not going to happen today. I had some stuff to do today. Ooh, that almost felt like a thump. Feels like something's biting it. But yeah, just like, yeah, big major purchases. Not that it's expensive to buy a kayak. So it's just like, oh, what do I do? I know I want one. Actually, so that's what I'm debating is, do I want one? Just out here fishing. I was chilling. Just trying like these little eddies right here. See this? Like the water's a little bit more relaxed right here. I'm just hoping some kind of predator fish is just sitting here, you know. Hoping a smallmouth. But I'll take anything. I'll take a rock bass. I'll take white bass. I don't care. I'll take a bluegill. If a bluegill can engulf this thing, we're gonna throw a party if I catch a fish this year. We're still waiting for first fish of the year. Oh, I'm snagged on myself. I caught myself, chat. All right, we're good. We're good. Try this. This just looks like a minnow, so this should... Oh, don't tell me. We're in the tree. Can we get out of it? Oh, there's more than one branch. I think we can get it out. No, I don't think so. Let's see if I can... Oh, we got it out. We'll try this out real quick. I know it's big, so we'll see. We'll see. You can cast it out there though. Oh yeah, beautiful cast. Oh, I think we got one. We got one, chat. Oh, it feels nice too. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. First fish of the year. Let's go, chat. Let's go. First fish of the year. Smallmouth. Let's go. We'll weigh him. Why not? First fish of the year. We'll get a quick weight on him just for fun. Yeah, first fish of the year, guys. Let's see what it weighs. I got it right here, just for fun. 1.75 pounds. Let's go. Let's go. Finally. About damn time, chat. There we go. Pretty little smallmouth right there. Nice and dark. Look at that. Let's let him go. party. There he goes. Woo! Buzzer beater. I'm staying until I'll show you guys what I was using. I was just using a spinner with no trailer or anything. Just that right there. Nice. See if we can get another one. See if we can get two. I don't think it's sploosy either though. Got another one. Oh yeah, this one's darker. Oh, slow down, buddy. Another smallmouth. Oh, got him. Let's go, chat. Look at this guy. Oh shoot. That's a nice color right there on this one. That was right there. He just barely tugged on it. Just enough to where it just felt a little weight on my pole. That's it. I was like, oh, that's a fish. But look at that. That's a pretty one right there. This one I think is bigger. We do a quick weight. Let's see. Let's just see. .75 was the first one. Oh yeah, a little bit bigger. Two pounder. Look at that pretty color on this one. Let's go, look at that. That's nice. That looks good. Oh, yeah, it's empty money. Come on, buddy, go. There he goes. I finally caught fish, D-Money. I've been struggling all year. I mean, like 4 or 5 times of fishing, probably 6. I finally caught 2. Whew. It's nice to get that monkey off my back. Yeah, I caught two smallmouth. 2 smallmouth bass. They're both decent size. One was just under 2 pounds, and the other one was just over 2 pounds. So, not bad. First 2 fish of the year. Excited. Hey guys, thank you for all coming in. Thank you for everyone here. We caught 2 smallmouth. Let's go. Appreciate the support. Don't forget to like the channel or follow the channel if you haven't yet. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel yet either. I'll post part of this video on YouTube in the next couple days so you can watch it there. I'll shorten it down to like 10 minutes. And yeah, check it out. And don't forget to follow the socials. Don't forget to follow my Discord. Join the Discord. You guys all have a great day.